Williamson College of the Trades Machine Tool Technology program provides students with the skills necessary to fabricate with advanced industrial machinery and learn machinery repair and maintenance. Halfway through the program, students select a focus on advanced manufacturing or industrial maintenance.
Every manufacturing facility, from pharmaceutical to power generation, from petroleum to food processing, has the need for skilled maintenance workers to maintain production efficiency. Given the complexity of modern manufacturing, highly skilled technicians are increasingly in demand across the country. In the industrial maintenance track, students develop and hone their knowledge and skills in these areas: manual machining, hydraulics and pneumatics, power transmission and alignment, electrical controls and wiring, fabrication and rigging.
In the advanced manufacturing track, students learn how to take a part from concept and refine it to complex designs using CAD, computer-aided design, and CAM, computer-aided manufacturing software, to generate computer code and to use this code in CNC, computer numerical control machines, to manufacture a part from the design. Careful attention must be paid to the design and manufacturing process of machining parts to ensure a successful outcome. Advanced skills are needed to successfully bring a production piece from conception to reality. Advanced CNC programming, where students learn to develop, refine, and program complex designs into automated machining equipment. In CAD and CAM classes, students design and program jobs used in CNC machines. Students learn the advanced operation of CNC machines and CAM programming, including learning G-code and M-code, machining language, so they can handle and transfer the data into computer numerical controlled CNC machines. Additionally, advanced manufacturing students apply the principles and theory of manufacturing in processes such as additive manufacturing, 3D printing, robotic manufacturing, electrical discharge machining, EDM, CNC lathes, CNC mills, and other machining centers. Advanced manufacturing projects are not just functional, but beautiful in their precise craftsmanship.
Every CNC operation starts with touching off your tools and setting your part, making sure your offsets are correct. I'm currently working on the Gavel Award, which is an award given out to the graduating senior class president.
Electrical discharge machining, or EDM for short, is the epitome of sophistication in machine shop. It utilizes electricity to erode metal to unparalleled precision.
The Wire EDM, one of our most advanced machines, is used fittingly to make one of our most prestigious awards.
The 1888 award is given to those who help out the manufacturing program. This process also allows the programmer to understand how to create designs and program different awards if needed.
The Williamson Machine Shop has been adding a lot of new machines here to help students prepare for the industry and using these machines. The 5-axis Haas milling machine, which allows us to mill a lot of different radiuses and angles for the parts we use on our projects.
The chess set project gave us an opportunity to be creative and design our own original chess pieces. Each senior was assigned a chess piece to make from scratch.
We begin by 3D modeling each piece of the chess set, and we take that program and post-process it to the CNC lathe behind us, where we then run each program individually and make sure they run smoothly.
Everything we do starts in our CAD software, where we design, model, and simulate before production. Like with our chess pieces, it helps us plan every detail and avoid mistakes before going out on the production line. CAD modeling is where ideas become reality.
This unique and innovative advanced manufacturing track teaches the students and skills the expertise to meet the current and emerging opportunities of the automated manufacturing industry. Students graduate from the program with an exceptional future ahead of them.
For more information about our Machine Tool Technology program, please visit our website at williamson.edu.